Hello trader, this is an updated multi-time frame analysis and trade setup for XAUUSD as first day of the trading week. As you know that this is NFP week and we can see the market in fact started to bounce back up as expected at the moment where we can expect our next entry opportunity. Let's find out first of all based on market structure where the market is heading. As NY session coming, we can expect now lower time frame trading opportunity in this market. So before we look at potential entry, let's first of all look at again overall direction where it is heading to. Now this monthly candle is closing in a couple of hours and we can see that with this monthly candlestick pattern, the price in fact showing significant bullish momentum. There could be possible pullback later today as monthly close coming, but I think that we might see some pullback during the NY session, and at the end of the NY session we might see that again returning back up for the monthly close as a strong bull candle. So with that in mind, looking at the weekly chart to see where the market opened early today, here is the weekly opening. This is a very narrow zone on the weekly perspective. We saw that there was a gap open from the weekly time frame on XAU USD. Now with that gap open, what we see, the market has dropped in that direction to grab liquidity with the market open, and we saw that there was immediate rejection to the upside, and the bulls has taken full control on this market later in Tokyo as well as in London session. So with the upcoming NY session, if the market again dropping down for deeper pullback, which is potentially likely to happen, we could find better trading opportunity for another bounce as there is a monthly close as we discussed. Now dropping down to the daily chart here to see the impulse here, and now this is the gap open on the daily, and as monthly close coming, there are a couple of scenario possible. One, for the market to potentially continue to trend with the new monthly opening tomorrow, which may give potential bounce. The other scenario is as there is a monthly close for the price to come back for deeper long-term pullback to that support or even breaking below, and this scenario could play out later on the higher time frame. Now at the moment, to looking at the lower time frame price action, which is still bullish, and this is the 4-hour price action. Here we saw there was a gap open with the early Asian session and the market dropped to that liquidity zone, bounce back with a bullish engulfer. Now this current session is closing in 10 minutes time from this recording, which is also forming a narrow bullish candle. Now for us, what we could see that the price, if it dropped down for a pullback, we might see again retest of this support as monthly close coming. We might see that increased volatility in the upcoming session. So with that in mind, looking at the 1-hour chart here, and this is where we can see a clean bull impulse here. All those candles are green, and with that green candlestick pattern, this current 1-hour candle is closing as a narrow red doji. And what I think that with the upcoming session for the price may continue to drop here for at least certain period of time, that can give us potential bullish entry opportunity. As we discussed, there is a very high probability for even for the price to drop back to that level here for a deeper pullback. And based on the price action confirmation, one probable scenario to drop here, the other probable scenario is for the price to drop to this liquidity zone. And based on the price action confirmation, we will be looking for bullish trading opportunity either of the zone with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Also join the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video for updated education as well as analysis that I'm posting every single day. So with that said, thank you, and I'll see you very soon trading live together.